Short video for you guys here today. I'll tell you that when I first bought this truck, this door over here, everything in it was dead. Now, it's a work truck. You can see there's not much in this door, but the door switch did not work, which you can't see it. It's internal, and I can go into more detail as to what I did troubleshooting wise here. But this door has just that actuator and then a speaker in it. Well, I'd like those things to work. That door, when I bought it, was dead. All the wiring, these 4 wires, I forget which ones are which, but 2 of them are for the speaker, 2 of them are for the actuator. I started tracing those through, checking them, pinning them out. Found that the actuator was working fine. Found that I did have a wiring issue to the speaker. I cured that wiring issue, but the speaker still didn't work. So, all right. I know from the door to here, it's good. All right. So, I said, oh, let's keep following the wiring. So, you take this junction block off, and you flip it around, and there's no wiring there. Oh man, what's going on here? So I didn't quite know what was going on there for a little while. Using the truck the way it was, not a big deal, right? So today I decided I'm going to go poking around. Started poking around, looking for where wiring, what should be in the back of this, what it looks like. And up here there's a fuse block that's got, I think it's marked as some trailer wiring. Gosh, I don't know what else is in there. And so I started looking around, and, you see that pin arrangement. You come up here, and boom. That's where it's supposed to be. So I don't know what happened through prior ownership. That solves the problem, guys. I don't know how common of an issue this is. Usually, these connectors are, tabbed, pinned. So you can only put them in certain places. They do that so you can't plug them in the wrong place. I don't know if a previous owner was jerking around here or if this is an add-on module. I don't know the history here. But if you run into this sort of issue, perhaps this helps you. If you guys want to know how to go through and troubleshoot some of these electricals, I was just using a multimeter, pinning things out, looking for state of change on the switch itself. The speakers are usually marked, they need to be an ohm or 2 or 4 or whatever it happens to be, and you use the multimeter, and okay, that checks to make sure if the speakers at least got electrically good. There could be a mechanical problem with it. But short video for you guys today. Wonder if any of you other guys have run into this. Let me know in the comments.